Hey guys, welcome to another session on web design and development using WordPress. In this video, we are going to look at learning objectives. We'll see one by one. It means that after the completion of course, what are all the points you are able to, like what are all the things you are able to. And at the end of this course you can able to explain what exactly the WordPress to anyone. Like if anyone questions you about the WordPress, or if anyone questions you about the plugins in the WordPress, then you can able to explain to them easily. You can build your own brand new website using WordPress. Installing, activating, deleting the plugins and templates will be much more easier to you. And you will be play around the WordPress dashboard smoothly. Like you can able to change the WordPress dashboard colors, and you can make it to user friendly. Like you can change according to your mood and according to your mindset, right? And you will get a knowledge to edit or customize the template and widgets. And then you can able to identify the template of any website that is built using WordPress. And also you can even you can download that template and install in your website also. And you can able to install and activate any template from WordPress library or via manually. Here the term manually is nothing but you will be downloading the template from external resources and then uploading to the WordPress and then activating for further usage. You can build mobile friendly and responsive web pages by using page builder plugins, and then applying CSS tricks for the best look. You can able to capture and you can able to copy another some other external web pages, and you can able to copy those CSS code, and you can able to paste that CSS code in your website in the customized session to get a best look. You can able to understand the CSS tricks term in further coming videos. And also understanding domain and hosting terms. You can able to understand what the domain exactly and what does the hosting means. And then you can able to purchase a new domain and hosting from the hosting or domain providers like GoDaddy and Hostinger or HostGator, anything. And then finally you are perfectly fit for web designing using WordPress. So I hope these points are pretty much enough for this introduction and course outline and learning objectives of web design and development using WordPress. We'll start our course with the module number 1 in the next video. Thank you.